lang bago mag-start yung proper competition. I-double check nyo ulit yung mga materials na inyong gagamitin. Para once nasa classroom na kayo, ay hindi na kayo lalabas pa. Dahil bawal lumabas once mag-start. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to greet everyone. To our highly respected, newly reassigned Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Ana Zinaida Unde Alonto. To our beloved Educational Program Supervisor for Mathematics, Dr. Nor Fatima Alonto. To our diligent Educational Program Supervisor for Science, Madam Raga Pakandayan Abdullah. To our equally industrious and competent coordinating principal, Madam Arasali Paramata Al-Haja. To Madam Lorenza Malcabugatan, Division Science Coordinator. To Madam Diamond Bab, Division Math Coordinator. To Ma'am Wajida Kapampangan Leral, LIMDS and Filipino Supervisor. To our dynamic and approachable school heads of Picong District. To our brilliant participants from different schools, as well as to their dedicated coaches. To our parents and visitors. Good morning to all of you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Again,